Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, I am here with you along with a new video collection of very simple, beautiful and easy to make design ideas of hand embroidery. Yes friends, you have heard me right. Today's collection is easy to make, latest, comfortable and absolutely aligned with the comfortable dresses of your summer look. So you can update your wardrobe and even the idea of these today's embroidery patterns is that if you have already existing old or in use plain fabrics, solid dresses, you can also renew them by making these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery onto them, or you can get creative and unique ideas at how you can design your plain fabric with the help of hand embroidery. And if you want to give that dress a formal look, then you can use sequins, beads, and pearls along with the combination of beautiful embroidery patterns. So you can make these beautiful patterns of embroidery onto lawn, cotton, silk, velvet, and many other formal and casual and comfortable everyday wear fabrics. So all you have to do is just follow these embroidery patterns, the color combination of these beautiful floral patterns, and your dress will be made by you. So instead of spending a lot of money for buying handmade, highly tagged designer dresses, you can become a designer of your own by sitting at your home. And the beauty and creativity of these is that these beautiful design patterns are ideal and suitable for both decent and elegancy shows for older age persons, for mid-age persons, and even teenagers could also make these very beautiful patterns of neckline embroidery onto their shirts and pair up them with jeans. I hope that you are liking my today's ideas and the creativity of our today's very beautiful crafted ideas of embroidery. So if you want to get more creative, stylish and funky ideas, so stay tuned with us and keep watching our content. We will soon be back with you in our new upcoming videos with a lot of trendy, stylish and amazing designs. With that, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end and get all the amazing stylish ideas. And please, 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 guys, I have a simple request to you that please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video and leave comments in the comment section that which design you like the most and why. And if you have already subscribed, then you can also subscribe from many other devices because subscribers are very important, guys. So stay blessed and be happy.